Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox a timepiece built for strength, precision and endurance. The Luminox Navy Seal All Steel. So guys, this watch, it is inspired by the elite US Navy SEALs. This watch is designed to perform under the toughest conditions.
Karen Jetley Live.
So here is the signature Luminox packaging. Minimalistic, sturdy and premium. Okay. So guys, now let us open it and let us see what comes in the box. So guys, here it is. The Luminox Navy Seal All Steel. Okay. So right off the box, and guys, this watch, while I'm holding it, it looks incredibly solid and refined. The steel construction gives it a powerful and a premium presence. So guys, just look at this brushed stainless steel finish. So it's sleek, it is durable, and it is perfectly suited for both outdoor adventures and formal occasions. So guys, the craftsmanship of this watch is very impressive and it feels durable and built to last. Okay. So guys, now coming to the point, the watch, it features stainless steel case, stainless steel bracelet. So as I told you, it offers a very nice durability. Okay, and it comes with this unidirectional rotating bezel. Okay, and the markers on this watch, okay, either it is on the bezel or it is on the dial, so they are very bold, and they are very legible, so it is very easy to see the time on this watch. Okay, and guys, one of the standout features of Luminox watches is its Luminox light technology. So these are self-powered titanium tubes that can glow continuously for 25-26 years. So they do not need any battery, or they do not need any external light source to charge them. Okay, so guys, now quick features. So this watch, stainless steel, it comes with Swiss quartz. Okay, it has a sapphire crystal, it has a date at 3 o'clock position, it has unidirectional black color bezel, and the dial color of this watch is navy blue. Okay, and you can see the Navy SEALs logo on the back of this watch. I hope you can see it. Okay, so guys, before we end this video, so I'll wear this watch on my wrist so that you can see how it looks on the wrist. And guys, while I am wearing it, so this watch, it offers 2 years international warranty. So guys, this is Luminox Navy Seal All Steel. Okay, so guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. And guys, yes, I forget to tell you before, so before we end this video, so the MRP of this watch is around 280 Omani Rials, but I got it in an offer, so I paid about 140 Omani Rials for it. Okay, so 140 Omani Rials should be equivalent to around 370 380 American dollars. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.